we learn how to reduce a fraction to its lowest form. Suppose we have a fraction value 6/12 and we have to reduce this to the lowest form, means from which piece size this has been made. So we simply make the factors using prime factorization. So you all know prime numbers are used for doing prime factorizations. So to find out the prime factors of 6, we'll say 2 3s are 6. 2 is also a prime factor and 3 is also a prime factor. How we found it? We divided 6 by 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the prime factors, means 6 is made up of 2 times 3. Similarly, we have to find out the prime factors of 12. The first prime number we have is 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 is also a prime number. 3, 2, 2 all are prime number. So means 2 is formed by 2 times 2 and then times 3. Now we have to see how is it made up of, from which fractional piece it is made up of. I have a simple method here. We'll cut the similar values. 2 is in both the numbers, that is the common factor of 6 and 12 is 2. So we just strike them off. The common factor here also 3, here also 3. We'll strike them off. What I am left here? Nothing. But I'll not write 0. I will write that 1 is the factor of every number. We don't write it, but here also 1 times, because as 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 will give us 1 only. Or if I'll write 2 times 1 times 1, it will give us 2 only. So instead of that, we simply write, we understood here that there is 1 only and this is half. So the lowest form, the simplified form to the fractional part 6/12 is 1/2. Let us take one more example, a little big number. Let us take 35 by 42. Let us find out the common factors over here. We can simply say 5 times 7 is 35. These are the prime factors we have. Here also, this is 7. We know 6 times 7 is 42. But 6 is not a prime number. We need to further take out the prime numbers out of 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So these all are the prime numbers with which 35 and 42 are made up of. As we all discussed in the first question, that we can also find out prime factors of 35 using ladder if we are not comfortable like this. 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. We'll get the same prime numbers. We can only keep the prime numbers over here. For the second part, so we have written the prime numbers for 35 on the top. For 42, 2 21s are 42. 3 7s are 21. and 7 ones are 7. So these all prime numbers are here. So instead of this, we can simply write them as, what is our next step? We strike the common factors. So what are the common factors here? 7 is in 35 and 7 is in 42. We'll strike them off. Okay. What we are left with? We are left with 5 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator.